Endo down near the end line. The check back. Crosses with his left in front, and Maryland has won it!
You may be wondering why Maryland forward Sebastianelli has a harness under his jersey, but the truth is he's not alone, and neither is the men's soccer team.
This is a kind of a trend in elite sport that's developed over the last 10 years. A little bit of this wearable technology, it's called, and it's kind of trickled down to the college level now, to the elite college level. And so the idea is to be able to track, using heart rate, track how hard the athletes are working across a session or within a given drill or within a given portion of the game. But they also now incorporate GPS monitoring in them, or GIS monitoring in them, so that they can track movements and how much time is spent going at high speed and how much time is spent is going at low speed or medium and those kinds of things. So it's a really good way of tracking the intensity of the effort of the athletes in a game or a training session.
Hagberg not only helped implement the technology with the men's soccer team, but also runs tests with the field hockey team.
The athlete will warm up on the treadmill for about 5 minutes. They'll pick a speed that is comfortable for them. Usually we just say pick a speed that you'd be comfortable going on a 30-minute run for. We'll use that speed for the rest of the test, and the only thing that's going to change is the incline, so it gets steeper and steeper. We change the percent grade by about 3% every stage, so it gets steeper and steeper. That's what makes it harder, and that's what makes them reach their max. The test itself measures aerobic fitness, so the mask will collect the expired air from the participant, and we'll be able to measure how much oxygen they're uptaking, and that is the values of the VO2 max, which is called the VO2 max test. That's the value we're looking for, so we can measure how much oxygen they're uptaking. We prick their fingers and measure blood lactate. So lactate is a byproduct of exercise. It's produced by the muscles and released into the bloodstream. So we can collect blood lactate after their exercise test, and that will tell us how hard they're working. So more lactate usually means that they're working harder.
We would like to quantify the fitness of our girls, and with these measurements we can see where they are at and if they need to practice or do more about their fitness to get them to a certain level, because current field hockey is a running game, and if girls are not there at the level that we want, we can work them harder. Typically twice a year in the beginning and at the end of the season, see where they are. And then those results are for us, and we share them with the girls, and they know where they are and see if they improved or have to improve.
What's the biggest issue with these systems now? And it's figuring out what to do with all the data. There's just a ton of information, but how do you break it down for a coach to one number or one recommendation or something like that? And so that's what's got to catch up at this point in time.